All right, we're back. So we're going to be trying to do something different here. What we're going to be trying to do is complete this challenge. And I just learned about modules. So what they want us to do here, I didn't even read the directions yet. It says, often in development, you can reuse someone else's code. In this challenge, we have a fake function that, I don't even know what that says, emulates getting users' data from an API and return you some details. Use modules to import get user function and display the data on the screen. Don't forget to call new app at the end. Okay, so let's just do that now. I don't know why we didn't just do that from the beginning. So get user function result should go here. So I think they want us to go into the utilities, and that's where all of our modules are usually written. So it says export default. And the reason why we're using export default is because it's only one method or function that we are going to export. So now we can go back into not hint.js, we can go back into index.js, and we can import. So imports always happen at the top. So we can say import. And since we are using the default export, we don't have to use the object literal. So that's that. And then we can say we're getting this from, and then we need the file path. So we're going to leave this directory and go up to utils, and then we're going to go to the get user.js. And this can be called whatever it wants to be called because we're doing a default export. So that means this can be called something silly like, I don't even know. We can say banana, which is not something that you usually want to call this, but we can just use banana. And then we can say, hey, over here, we just want to get banana, right? Nope, we don't want to get banana because we're just getting that function. So we want to get user, right? So we want to get user over here. Oh, that's not where we want to go. We want to get user. Oh, that's not even working. Get user, banana. But it says function get user. It's returning the function. That's weird. Okay, that was not working how I thought it was going to work. So get user, get user. Of course, that's going to do the same thing. We'll keep the banana. Let me see what I did here. Ah, shoot. Okay. So export default, get date modified. Side of our index, we imported from here and then get date modified. But when we put the banana in a function, it says object. What the what? Okay. That's weird. I don't know why that is happening. Get object. Let's look at the hint. So store the result of get user in a variable. Export function get user. What? Store the results. Did we do that here with the export default function? Export, store the results of get user in a variable. That is weird. Why does return? Oh, is this because we're returning a function? So once we say const, I think this has to do something with what we are learning really early on in the functions. So when we return a function as the default function action, we have to const and say, what should we name it? Results So results equals get user. What? That's weird because now when we go back to here, we can't get results. So we would have to do this instead. We would have to export, and then get user results, right? That's how we do it. I don't think that's how we do it. Let me see here. Export, get user, and results. So now if we go here, we have to use our object literal syntax, and then we have to import these two files here of get user and results. Get user, results, and we would have to say results. What? That's so weird. Why is that happening? Huh. Yeah, I'm stuck.